Ron Crider here again. Today we're going to talk about how to manage your network sharing. Occasionally you'll run into a problem if you're on one computer and you want to take a look at the things on another computer, pick up some audio from another computer, send audio to another computer, and you can't get there. Well, it could probably be because of a number of things, and there are many ways to do this. This is just one way. This is a Windows 10 system now, so go to your Manage Advanced Sharing Settings. And that will I'm using a dual monitor system. You want to make sure you have turned on network discovery and this one here, turn on automatic setup of network connections. And make sure you have your printer sharing turned on, allow networks to manage. That's all fine. Then you want to go to your all networks, click on here. And in my particular case, turn on sharing so anyone can share. Click that on. Use 128-bit encryption. And I have turn off the passwords and then save those settings. Once you've done that, that should begin to set up your network sharing system. The next thing we want to do is we have to share various items. In this particular case, we want to share the C drive. So let's go down here, bring this little guy up. Let's go to the C drive, which is over here, and right-click on the C drive, and then hit Properties down here. There we go. Okay, now in the Properties menu, what you want to do, now I've already done this, but I'm going to go back and do it again. You want to go to Security. This is a very important item. Go to Security, and when you get to Security, you want to hit Edit. Follow this carefully. Then you want to hit Add. Seems like a lot of work to get it done. And then you want to go to Advanced, which is down here. And then you want to go to Find, which is over here on the right. And then you want to scroll down till you find Everyone, the word Everyone, which is right here. And you click that on. Then that will show up in your screen here where it says Everyone, and you hit OK. And now you'll see Everyone up here. Also, be sure to click on this one here that says Allow Full Control and Modify. Make sure all these are turned on. And then you hit OK, and you are in business. And that should take care of it. Now, you may have to do some more. For example, and that was the C drive. But you may, let's suppose you want to do, I'm going to go down here a little bit further because in this particular case, we are doing on the C drive, we have other things on here that we really need to get to, and sometimes it won't let you get there. And we want to go to BSI 32. So over BSI 32, this has to do with the Simian for you folks that are using the automation system, which is predominantly why we're doing this. Right-click on BSI 32, go to Properties, and again, go to, first we want to make sure that it's shared. And I think I've already set up sharing, so you can see it's set up in sharing. But in the event that it would not be, go down here and hit Advanced Sharing, and then click on this button here, Share this folder. Click on that button and hit OK. So that folder should be shared. However, it isn't going to go anywhere until you do one more thing. You go back to the Security again. Okay, when you get to the Security, you need to go to, as I said before, to Edit, and then to Add, and then to Advanced, and then to Find. Scroll down to your Everyone. Click on that. Hit OK. Now Everyone will appear here in the screen, and hit OK yet again, and you're all set to go. Now we've been able to share that. So let me tell you what the end result of this is. What you want to be able to do is now I'm doing this with a Apple computer. This is a MacBook Air, a little small computer, and I have logged in remotely from this MacBook Air into a PC. Now, what I want to do is go back to my MacBook Air, and so I'm going to turn off my dual mon, and we're going to talk about this at another time, but I'm going to turn this off so that we're not going to be doing this anymore. And let me just get out of there and get out of there. And now I'm going to go back to my MacBook Air, and I'm going to scroll down in the MacBook Air to Shared Devices, All. And I'm going to go to WJPP, which is the one that we're concerned about. This is the one we want to get some information over to. I'm going to click on that. And again, the BSI32, which we have shared. And bingo, there it is, BSI32. Now we're going to go to the audio and BSI32, and this is where we want to get a program from. Now, if we wanted to put a program here, we would do it in reverse. But let's just suppose we want to pick up a program that's already in there right now. In this particular case, let's just play this one right now. This is one we did earlier this morning. This is the calendar for this radio station, WJPP. And it should begin to play here. Well, in fact, it is playing, but it doesn't seem, I don't seem to see the speaker coming. It's not coming out. Anyway, it is playing and it's there. And for example, if you wanted to, I'm going to turn that off, quit that, and I'm going to go to another program I have in this computer, which is a very simple editing program. I'm going to bring that guy up. Now, if I want to get a file from that WJPP computer, because I'm doing this now from a different computer, I want to go back to the WJPP PC. Well, here we are again. We're going to go back to the WJPP Air computer. We're going to go back to the BSI32. We'll go back to the audio. And let's go to the program file because that's what we wanted to look at. And I'm going to open the calendar for November the 11th. So I'm going to hit that and open it up. And voila, it's going to appear here from the other computer in this screen. And there it is. And it's ready to go. And it will start to play. And you can hear it playing in the background very lightly. And I could do some editing here if I wanted to. But this is how you get to some of these. Now, this has been very difficult for a lot of people. A lot of the people that we work with don't have a great deal of experience with computers. And I have to tell you, I'm not the most knowledgeable networking guy either out there. But a lot of people do have issues with this networking situation, and they just can't seem to get all the computers put together. And that's because you're dealing with Windows 7, 8, 10, and they're all a little bit different. I'll try to, every time somebody comes up with a new question, I will try to come up with an answer for you and show you how to do it. Next time, I'm going to do a little short video on how to network this MacBook Air to your PCs. So thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned. We'll have some more videos for you.